Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The dispute between the GOURD and the YAM. Story. The GOURD and the YAM had a dispute to see which of the two was more useful to Òrúnmìlà. They took advantage of the fact that Ògúndá Méjì had an Ifa, and they accompanied him to the Ifa room, where Òrúnmìlà, when he was about to finish everything, said to Ògúndá Méjì, "Bury the GOURD, but carry the YAM with you." But Ògúndá Méjì, being so strong, did not follow the advice that Òrúnmìlà had given him and buried both of them together. Soon after, a phenomenon appeared there, a monster that began to wipe out people, and the people lived in great fear, and Ògúndá Méjì became disturbed and did not know what to do to stop that creature. At that moment, Oya was coming along the road singing, "Yagara ileu alamita bewe obinrin mesan an ida gun, Yagara ileu were ase forodo iki." Then Òrúnmìlà said to Ògúndá Méjì, "Take these two sure hens and give them to Oya. She will know how to save you." So Ògúndá Méjì took the two adai and began to cleanse Oya, who came looking very beautiful, all covered with sharp weapons. He gave her the hens and sang, "I alami ele abebo adie mafun adie Oya ele mi osi." Then Oya gave him the weapons with which he was able to defeat the monster, and from that moment on, the gourd is planted in the Ìgbòdún, initiation grove, and the YAM is given to the Awo, Ifa priest, for his fortune. Note: the Oya of the Awo must carry the sacred pieces inside, and if the Awo is Ògúndá Méjì, in addition to those pieces, the Oya must also carry a crown with sharp weapons pointing upward.